So we have arrived at second point, that is Titop Island. Is it? So we're gonna go to the beach. We have two options: whether we can go and climb some stairs to reach that point, or can go to a beach. We can go swimming there. This is the beach. I need to swim. Really?
Only thing is I hold for you, okay? After that you can I hold it.
What about my underwear? It's gonna get wet. Why didn't you tell me I should have brought some clothes?
Hi, you know we go to fish, why? You know what you know I'm not.
Okay. Even the jeans. We're here at the beach after coming back from that peak, climbing up to under steps and then coming back again. We arrived here at the beach and everybody's swimming and we don't have any swimming costume or we haven't got any clothes, so I'm gonna be just watching and I also don't know swimming, so I don't know how deep is that be, but the view is quite nice, so we're gonna just really see the view and enjoy all the picturesque. Have fun to swim here, but haven't got any clothes. If I get wet, pretty difficult because we have to go to other points as well. When we reach the top of the peak, to go on the steps and toe finally arrived. I'm watching a bit. So this is the highest point of this Titop Island. That's the view outside of the top.